Catch no fish.
Huh.
Honey, you need to help us. Welcome back to the Redneck Campsite. We're about to have some steaks, man. We're gonna throw these puppies up on there and we're gonna eat them. We got some baked taters in the mo freaking fire over there. These suckers been marinating for about 5 hours. About 5 hours. Look at this. Oh, mamma mia! We getting ready to pull off these New York strip-ums. They about to go in our belly-ums. Look at that. Yeehaw! Damn smoke. It's smoking because I didn't clean it. Like a ding dong. Now we're gonna burn Laura's because that's the way she eats steak. I'm sorry guys, if you can't stomach this, kind of like I can't, I wouldn't watch. She also ruins her steak with barbecue sauce and steak sauce and all kinds of sauces that a good steak doesn't need. She can't be my wife.
It
used to, now it's like, how you want it? Black, brown, a little black, a lot of brown.
I want mine well done.
Well done, like overdone, like you want flavor crystals on there?
I just want it well done. I don't want it red and pink inside.
But some of us like it pink inside.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta watch what you say.
Mm-hmm.
She don't want her steak to move.
No.
I like mine to at least go,
I don't like steak sauce.
She does barbecue sauce.
I don't think we have any barbecue.
I got it.
But I think we got ranch.
I don't want ranch. No, thank you.
Come here. Get over there.
Gonna be a minute for them. Well.
Yes.
What does it taste like?
Tastes really good.
It does?
Yes.
Are you lying?
No, I'm not. Tastes
Let's-
really good.
Let's see. When you take... Oh,
This is how you gotta do it. You
she's
got
ruining
to.
it.
Then
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm.
Maybe she's not lying, guys. I can see it in her eyes.
Mm-mm.
Look at the camera again. Yep, I can see that sparkle
Mm-hmm.
in her eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Really good. You want to take a piece?
Nope. I'll wait for my own.
Okay. I'm having this before my potato because my potato's too hot.
Yeah, too hot. Nice, babe. Pretty good. Pretty dang on good. Yeah, Laura doesn't know. She's not a steak person. She only eats it when I cook it.
This is first steak I've had in quite a while. In the big plate.
Mm-hmm.
Because I can't afford to feed everybody. Yeah,
It's expensive.
very expensive. Okay, which one of those is mine?
That one is the one you wanted.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Oh, it's juicy. It's dripping. It's dripping.
It's so tender, it just like melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
But it needs to be used, because
We got bacon bits? I don't know. They like seeing, they said they need to see more of you in my videos. Where you going? Where you going, Ronnie?
Gonna go down and see Lisa and Norma.
What are we doing?
Delivering some good steak and potatoes.
To the office ladies. So maybe they'll keep us around for another year. Well, that's about all the camera time you get of Ronnie. Oh, you have to tell him in the comments. He don't believe me. He don't believe me at all. Thinks I'm lying just to get him on camera. But we're gonna go down here and take these ladies some food. We always take the leftovers down there and feed them when we're here. Gotta stay on the good side. Gotta stay on the good side. Always gotta stay on the good side of the women, right?
Right.
Because if not, well, y'all know. Especially y'all that's got women. You know exactly how it goes. Oh.